The Florida manatee is a large aquatic mammal found in shallow coastal waters, rivers, and springs in Florida. They are large, seal-shaped mammals with flat, rounded tails. Their color ranges from brown to gray, and they have been seen with algae and barnacles growing on their backs. Adults average 9 to 10 feet in length and weigh from 800 to 1,200 pounds. Females are typically larger than males, with the largest recorded over 3,000 pounds. The Florida manatee is a tropical animal and requires water temperature to be 70 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Recent surveys estimate there are around 5,000 individual Florida manatees in total. Manatees have a bulbous face with small, wide-set eyes. They do not have very good vision and are mostly nearsighted. They also have very small ear openings located just behind the eyes, similar to a dolphin. The nostrils are found on the upper surface of their snout and have valves that can close tightly when they go underwater. Manatees have a prehensile upper lip that can pull grasses into its mouth. They have very unusual teeth known as marching molars. The Florida manatee has two straight lines of molars on the sides of the jaw. New molars are continuously forming at the back of the jaw. Those molars then push the old ones forward. The older teeth become worn from chewing on grass all day. When the old teeth reach the front, they fall out, leaving room for the new ones. The lungs of the manatee can exceed 3 feet in length and extend down their back. The shape and size of the lungs is important in controlling their buoyancy. It also allows them to stay underwater for up to 20 minutes at rest. There are 2 pectoral flippers with 3 to 4 toenails on each. Their large paddle tail can propel them forward with bursts up to 20 miles per hour.
Couple things in common. You look at a manatee's flipper, it looks like a smashed elephant's foot. It still has the toenails on it. And the elephant has a prehensile nose. It has a trunk that can grab things. There you go. Oh, there's his little tail.
Manatees are herbivores, feeding around 6 to 8 hours a day. They will eat a large variety of seagrasses, freshwater plants, and also plants growing along the shoreline. They will consume 10 to 15% of their body weight in grasses a day. This could be up to 150 pounds for an adult. They've been known to eat over 60 species of plants and also ingest small fish and invertebrates that are caught in the leaves. The Florida manatee has been known to live over 60 years. Females can begin to have calves as young as 5 years old. Calves will stay with their moms 2 to 5 years, and in the warm summer months they can explore the coasts of Florida and even migrate to the northern Gulf of Mexico and up the Atlantic coast. During this warm period, manatee sightings on board the Dolphin Explorer are frequent and can occur throughout our survey area. Sometimes we spot the manatees surfacing right next to the dolphins. In the winter, they must find warmer waters. This leads to congregations at natural warm springs or by the warm waters released by the power plants. Manatees must intake fresh water or they will become dehydrated. In the summer months, they must occasionally move upstream to find a fresh water source. Manatees have no natural predators. Its largest natural threat in Florida is the cold weather.
And actually, another big threat to them is the cold water. In 2009, we had that really extended winter. They estimate 250 to 400 that one year, just from the water temperatures getting too cold.
They can also be affected by natural toxins from red tides. However, the largest threat is collisions with boats. Florida averages roughly 100 deaths a year due to boat collisions. This manatee's tail seems to have been hit by a boat propeller, and we'll see the same on this manatee's back. The next biggest man-made threat is loss of habitat. This results in less fresh water sources and less seagrass for feeding. They also can ingest fishing hooks and lines. The Florida manatee is listed as an endangered species, which makes it illegal to harass, hunt, capture, or kill them. Florida waterways have designated manatee speed zones and areas to reduce the chance of boat collisions. Florida Fish and Wildlife has a stranding network that the public can contact if a sick, injured, dead, or tagged manatee is found. They will come to the scene and rescue the animal or collect data to find out what happened. Land that's known as manatee habitat or sanctuaries is being protected. Local research is being done as well so that we can understand them better. Also, manatee education and awareness programs help show the public how they can help. Mote Marine Laboratories is a local place that helps with this conservation. Here's a rescued manatee that Kristen helped at Mote. So, by spreading the word and working together, we can ensure that the manatees will stay safe in Southwest Florida.